Experiment time with Sharky Class, Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool. In today's exciting science experiment, our Sharky Class children turned into little scientists, full of curiosity and wonder as they explored the world around them. Hands-on discovery moments. The children carefully observed color changes, bubbles, and movements during the experiment, their eyes shining with excitement. Each child took turns touching, mixing, and predicting outcomes, learning to ask why and what will happen next. Cheers and laughter filled the classroom when the experiment worked, boosting confidence and a love for discovery. Through experiments, children develop critical thinking, observation skills, creativity, and problem solving, laying the foundation for early STEM learning in a fun and safe environment. Only at Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool. Our children are proudly called Baby Shark K. Let the baby come, cause the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. Hashtags. Hashtag Mamnonbabir. Hashtag Baby Shark Preschool. Hashtag Sharky Class. Hashtag Science Experiment. Hashtag Little Scientist. Hashtag STEM for Kids. Hashtag Fun Learning.